Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Daretobecreative, and I am here in prep. This is our first intro video to a new collab that we're going to be doing here that's hosted by none other than Poetspice. And so with this collab, we are to basically demolish a paper pad. So we can do a 6x6, 12x12, our choice, but we have to destroy it within the month of August. So, and we can only use one embellishment pack. So actually I put out several, I have a whole bunch of them because I was blessed with this set by Yvette the Cards Girl. Check out her channel, tell her Dawn sent you. But anyway, she just you know, sent me some happy mail and just blessed me with the whole set. So I want to craft with that. I was going to use the 12x12, but this is a project pad. And so it does have the coordinating papers in here and some of the stickers and stuff like that as well, but it's not the full set. So I am going to use the 6x6, which has 36 pages in it, but I'm sure I'm going to pull some of the coordinating cardstock and things out of here to match with it, because it is a project pad. I have the brass, the stickers, the puffy stickers, the ephemeral cardstock, so much stuff that I have. I need to pull it all out, the charms. So we can only use one, which it's kind of hard. I think this is the one I'm going to use, so that's why I pulled this one out. I think this is the one that I'm going to use, which has 30 pieces in it. So I think I'm going to use just this one. I'm going to put back the puffy stickers and the cardstock, I mean the other stuff, and use this. And some of them holographic in this paper pad. So I have to demolish this before the end of the month. And what I would do though, when it's over, I'm going to use some of my other stuff again. Probably have some of the stickers and stuff on it too. But anyway, we're going to be posting every Sunday at 3 o'clock for the month of August. And you know, our goal is to be kill our pad by the end of the month. It will demolish it. So you'll see the hashtag Demolish Gals. So of course, I'm in it myself and Jamie Poetspice, and it's about 6 other girls, women in the collab, and I will have their names in the link below. So at 3 o'clock every Sunday you should see us uploaded, and you know, I hope that inspires you to kill your paper pad. We did this a couple years ago. We had to kill 2 paper pads in the collab, which was kind of fun. And then I did my own one time where I killed a paper pad. Well, I killed my paper pad, but I want to see how many items I can make out of one paper pad. And believe it or not, you can make a ton of items out of a paper pad. So it can be, you know, challenging, but this is my first time trying to kill a 6x6. So hopefully it won't be too bad. But yeah, I'm used to the 12x12. If I could have more options there, because you can make a mini album, you can make layouts, all that kind of stuff. You can still do that with these as well, but it's just a little bit more challenging. But anyway, so I'm gonna give you a flip through just in case you haven't seen it, but it's been out for a while. And Tuesday morning, it's by Chanel. It's got unicorns, diamonds, circles. So you got your basic shapes as well. Some cut aparts. Make those into cards. Got cameras, hearts, stripes, word sentiments, you know, like the speech bubbles. Some more cut aparts, birds, letters, border strips. You can use that on different things. More unicorns, ice cream. So fun, whimsical kind of paper pad, just, you know, different, and it looked like all 36 were different pages. They didn't repeat. Well, did they repeat? No. So totally different. But like I said, I'm going to kill that, but I probably will use, I may have to use some of this coordinating paper just as the back paper, but my focus will be on killing that paper pad and using this, and maybe I use all the rest of my ephemera and other stuff on the 12x12. But anyway, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully you'll play along. So this is the first. The other video will be on Sunday the 3rd, and so just for the month of August we'll be killing our paper pads. So check us out, check out the challenge. Hopefully you'll play along with us. It's not too late to just get you one paper pad, 6x6 or 12x12, and one ephemera pack. One accessory pack. It could be stickers, it could be ephemera, it could be I don't know, charms, whatever it is, but it's just one. And use that and be creative and kill that pad. So we're gonna be the Demolition Girls, so check us out and be inspired and play along. All right, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.